Okay guys, what I've got today is a special treat for you. This is probably about as complicated as I like to get in the kitchen, but what I have here today is a raw pizza. Oh man, this is, I can't wait to dig into this. The recipe will be in the description box below, okay? Everything is raw. The crust obviously dehydrated at 115 degrees. I've got a raw marinara sauce here. What else do I have? So, the crust is just 4 ingredients. Okay, the marinara sauce is a little, there's 6 or 7 different things in there. And then as toppings, I've got some red pepper, some cucumber, some mushroom, and spinach, and avocado. Now, what I do with the mushrooms and the spinach, I dehydrate them a little bit before I put them on top. I think it makes them taste better, and they still have the live enzymes. So everything's going to be in the description box. Give it a try. This is an awesome pizza. All the best. Please subscribe if you're first time here, and hit that notification bell so you are notified anytime I do any videos in the future. So my wife and I are going to delve into this right now, and we've got another crust as well. So I'm really looking forward to this. Take care, guys.